So, we're doing a competition to see who can make the best looking pancakes. So, we're mixing up the batter, we're going to get different colors, and then it's going to be me and Nick versus Danny.
Say hi, Nick.
Hi.
Versus Danny and Alyssa.
1 sec.
Oh, okay, never. Okay. I won't explain. I won't. Don't worry.
There's Danny. Introduce yourselves.
Oh boy.
I'm Emily. Hi.
I'm Grant.
What are you guys doing today?
We're judging pancakes.
Cool beans.
Okay, so round number 1, we are doing sea animals. We have 5 minutes to do a prep, and then
5 minutes to
No, you have 5 minutes to make and prepare.
5 minutes to make and prepare. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oof. It could be worse. So the next
Presentation is strong in both for both contestants. I like that Dory has a mouth.
Does the food
Dory's a little
coloring?
too mottled. There's some areas that are sticking out more than others. I feel like that detracts from it.
She's forgetful.
She's
I'm trying the eye. I'm so sorry, Dory.
the starfish has some struggles holding together, but I think I would have to go with the starfish as my vote.
Okay, Grant's voted. Emily?
That's my final answer now.
It's the same dough.
Food coloring? No.
I'm sorry, the Dory wins because the chocolate.
Yes!
It's a tie.
It's a tie.
Okay.
Alright, round dos is
Emojis.
emojis. So now we need a tongue and a mouth, right? Like this, probably. Is it a smile and then a tongue, probably?
Really old man.
Ready?
Oh, it's lovely. Okay, the guys are gonna flip theirs now.
Looks like an egg.
Eyes.
Yeah! Okay, it's not horrible.
It's not bad.
It's not horrible.
Oh,
I'm pleased with that.
Link is crying.
Give this one credit for like a proper forehead ratio. but I really love the symmetry of the heart eyes on this. So, well, first I gotta try. I'm sorry. I'll try some of the massive forehead.
Also, the forehead has like ridges.
It's old
that,
age.
I don't know if that was intentional.
Spent a lot of times in lab doing this.
Yeah.
I'll try the other eye. Poor man. Or woman.
For the same reasons you were saying, like the hearts look really good. I think I have to go with the heart eyes, even though the chocolate on the other side is a little bit.
It was a good effort, but
Yeah.
I agree with Grant.
Alright, that was theirs.
She likes
Picked
them, but they
yours.
both picked you.
because our hearts look symmetrical.
They were very good. Good job, Danny.
Okay, anyway, we're doing plants. Again, we got our 5 minutes to plan, and then we'll bake them. Yeah.
Yellow ground. We'll just do yellow up to the first one. New color! It just has to be flippable.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop!
Yeah, touch it.
Oh, there you go.
I'm so scared.
Just all at
Little,
once. You
just
gotta
ready?
just do it.
Go for it.
Nice!
Look at how cute!
That's pretty good.
Whatever that is. But then there's this. Wow.
What do you think? I think it'll work. Ooh, it's kind of hot. Okay. I got it.
And flip the plate.
Ta-da!
Don't
Beautiful.
don't forget to hold on to the plate.
Oh no.
Chuck it
Chuck the plate at it. Yeah! Wow, that actually looks
Okay.
pretty good.
It's a little toasty.
It's like the sunset.
I feel like I enjoyed the aesthetics of the cactus with the kind of blobby stars more, and I'll have to give that the point. Cactus.
I'm impressed by this one way. I'm sorry. It's just like they have
Why are you apologizing?
all these different colors, leaves, and pointy flower tips. So,
Sweet.
so this one's very good, but this one's mine.
Sweet.
All right.
Category number 4. In case you missed it, Alyssa and Danny have a penalty. They have to start 30 seconds after Nick and I because they were discussing their topic beforehand, called cheating. And the category is burgers. So we're making burgers. We're gonna grill up some nice.
So for
Ooh.
this topic, you have to have 2 toppings plus a burger
Before we
and a
start.
bun. So that's the criteria.
When were you gonna tell us that?
I just did.
Danny, tell us what we got here.
Alright, we got some lettuce,
I'm gonna have to.
and we've got some
Oh, look at
thick cut bacon, and we've got our patty, our cheese
Oh, come on.
has holes in it, and that's our
Oh, these
bottom
are easy
patty,
to
and this is
flip.
our top patty with like the sesame seeds in it.
Okay, I like it. I like it.
We got ketchup. We got
Distributed.
blue cheese. we got lettuce or whatever you want to think of that. We got a beef patty, so we're not vegetarian. We got cheese. I don't even know if this one.
Ooh, that was close.
We got pickles.
pickles.
We got mustard, and we got buns.
This one's more accurate, but this one has a lot more toppings. So,
I can see.
and this bacon piece is really good.
Are these different pieces of cheese? Individual cheeses?
Yes.
The onion ring? Or the onion?
Technically, that was supposed to be mustard, but it can be onions.
Interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, this one's lacking in condiments.
I know which one.
Put your
We should do it at the same time.
We do?
Oh wait,
Just
wait,
point.
let's point. Let's close our eyes and then point. Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
What are we doing?
Disorient ourselves.
Wait. The point is we know what
Okay,
we're doing.
okay.
Just point to the side.
Point to the one you. Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Really?
All right. So for our last round, unless we need a tiebreaker, highly doubt it. We are going to have a design, any design that we choose, but it needs to have blueberries incorporated. This is judge's choice. So yeah, we'll see how they like it.
Okay, so you should start it.
This is what we got.
You can tell that's a blueberry pie.
Okay, now
The
I
snail
see.
doesn't count.
Yeah, the snail's just
Wait.
The snail's just a
Wait, if we vote for the snail, who
extra points. Yes, Nick made the snail.
Can I request a steak knife?
A snail.
Steak knife.
I'd like to examine the interior.
Oh, they're gonna cut it open.
He's just opening it.
Yeah.
Oh, you can open it.
It's not. They're individually cooked layers.
But wait, I want to see the pie as like a sliced pie.
Yeah. I agree. That's a good call.
It's the realistic option, you know. You're not gonna peel that.
Ah, yes.
Wow, guys. Okay.
Good job.
Thank you.
How did the tallies go up? I haven't
They still
6 to 4.
Yeah.
So they
Girls
won.
won.
After the last one, there's no way we were gonna win. So.